Question number 66 from blood relations. H is the father of only D and G. H is the father of only D and G. H is the father of only D and G, which means the word only denotes that H has only two children. Only two children. Next, G is married to only daughter of J. G does not marry to J. G is married to only daughter of J, which means J has only daughter. That only daughter of J is married to G. When it is female member, obviously G will be a male member. Next, G has no brother. G does not have any brother, which means D will be sister of G. Next, K is only niece of D. K is only niece of D. Right. So D has only one brother as H has two children. Now K is niece of D. D's brother is G. Brother's daughter is called as niece. Next, D is unmarried. D is unmarried one. Then if J is father of M, J is father of M, by this M may be here or you may place M here. But the next condition here, J is father of M. M has no siblings. Yes, M has no siblings. If I place M here, M should have a sister. That means M should get a sibling. But as per the data, M has no sibling. By that reason, M will be eliminated from this place. Then, how is K related to M? To M, K is daughter. Option number 3. Next, how is H related to K? How is H related to K? K's father is G. Father's father is grandfather. Option number 2. Next, 68. If the positions of first and third digits within each number are interchanged, which of the following will form third lowest number? Third lowest number. If we interchange first and third digits, then this will be starting with 9. Next one will be starting with 6. Again 9, 1, 2. We need to find out third lowest number. First lowest is starting with 1. Second lowest is 2. Third lowest is starting with 6. 426, option 1. Next, 69. If all the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number, we need to arrange digits into ascending order within the number. Then what will be sum of all the digits of highest number thus formed? Highest number lo unna anni digits ni sum cheyali. First we need to write into ascending order within the number. Ascending order will be starting with 1 here. It will be starting with 2, again 2, 1 and then 2. We need to find out highest number. Highest number means it will be starting with definitely 2. As we have 3 numbers which are starting with 2, we need to go for second digit verification. Here it will be 4, 2, 4, 2, 5. Again we have 2, 5 here. Then we'll go for last digit verification, which is 9 here. If it is 9, obviously it will be highest number. So sum of all the digits of 2, 5, 9. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. Option number 1. Next, if all the digits within each number are arranged in descending order within the number, digits within the number descending order, then which of the following will be third largest number? Largest number. Now try to understand. Descending order nothing but it should be starting with the highest digit. Digit wise 1, 2, 3 up to 9. What is the highest digit? 9. Hold there. We need to find out third largest number. So 9 అనేది ఎన్ని నంబర్స్లో ఉంది? 9 అనేది ఎన్ని నంబర్స్లో ఉంది? 2 నంబర్స్లో ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఆ రెండిట్లో ఏదొకటి ఫస్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అయి ఉంటుంది, ఇంకొకటి సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అయి ఉంటుంది. కానీ మనకు థర్డ్ హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ కావాలి. ఇక 9 అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి 8 ఉన్న నంబర్ కావాలి. 8 ఎవరిలో ఉందండి? 582 ఆప్షన్ నెంబర్ 5. 8 ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా అని చూడొద్దు, బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ విత్ 9. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ విల్ బి రిజల్టెంట్ ఇఫ్ థర్డ్ డిజిట్ ఆఫ్ highest number is 819, third digit is 9 multiplied with second digit of lowest number is 259, second digit is 5, 9 into 5 is 45. Next, if 2 is subtracted from first digit of every odd number, whatever odd number is there in that, for the first digit we need to subtract 2 and 3 is added to the third digit of first, second, third digit of every even number. In how many numbers thus found will be divisible by 3? Already we know the divisibility rule of 3. 3తో డివైడ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది డిజిట్స్ అనేవి 3తో డివైడ్ అవ్వాలి. కాబట్టి ఆడ్ నంబర్ని మనం 3తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది డిజిట్స్, కాబట్టి ఆడ్ నంబర్లో ఉన్న డిజిట్స్ని సమ్ చేద్దాం. ఆ సమ్ అనేది 3తో డివైడ్ అవటం కాదు, -2 చేశాక 3తో డివైడ్ అవ్వాలి. ఆడ్ నంబర్ 819 is an odd number. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 18, బట్ -2 చేయాలి. 18 minus 2 16, బట్ 16 అనేది 3తో డివైడ్ అవ్వదు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 259. 2 plus 5 7 plus 9 16 minus 2 14 is not divisible by 3. Next odd number is 371. 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 minus 2 9. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3, so it is valid. Next, let's go for even numbers. Even numbers కూడా సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది డిజిట్స్ అనేవి 3తో డివైడ్ అయితే సరిపోతుందా, లేదా 3 యాడ్ చేశాక 3తో డివైడ్ అవ్వాలా? 3 యాడ్ చేశాక 3తో డివైడ్ అవుతుందంటే 3 యాడ్ చేయక ముందు కూడా 3తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంది డెఫినెట్లీ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్. సో 4 plus 2 6 plus 6 12 divisible by 3. మళ్ళీ మీరు +3 చేసినా 15 is also divisible by 3, right? Next 5 plus 8 13 plus 2 15 is divisible by 3, so it is also valid. Total we have 3. Next, y is 4 meters west of t. Y is 4 meters west of t. For example, it is a t, west of t is required, y 4 meters. Next, z is 13 meters south of y. South of y 13 meters south of y, z is required. Next, L is 12 meters west of z. L is 12 meters west of z. From z west L 12 meters. Next, B is 13 meters away from L. 13 meters away. Away is mentioned, direction has not mentioned. ఎన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయంటే 8 డైరెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి we get 8 possibilities. But in order to counter 8 possibilities, L such that B, Y and T fall in a straight horizontal line. Already Y and T are in a horizontal line. In same horizontal line we need to have B also. That means we need to extend this line. At the same time, with respect to L, B is 8 meters away. So in the same line we need to form it. So here we need to have B, so that B, Y and T will form in a horizontal line. What will be the distance between BL? 13. BY, as it is 12 meters distance, it will also be 12. Then in which direction and how far is point T with respect to point B? With respect to B, east direction, and distance is 12 plus 4, 16 meters east, option 1. Next, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word aircraft? Each of which has as many letters between them in the word in both forward and backward direction as they have between them in English alphabetical order. So aircraft, A1, I9, R18, C3, R18, A1, F6, T20. Right. Now counting in forward direction right from beginning, which is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With 1 there is no pair at all. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. Next 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 3 and 6 are the first pair. Then after 7 is not there. 18, 19, 20, no use. Next 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. In forward direction there is only one pair. Half of the solution is done. We need to count in backward direction as well. Right. 20, 21. As highest number is 20, I don't have to count with highest number always. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No use. Next 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1 and 3 are second pair. 1, 4, 5, 6. 18, 19, 20. Enough. 3, 4, 5, 6. 18, 19, 20. 9, 10. Total we have 2 pairs. 75. In the word argument, there is our argument. We need to deal with this. First, all the consonants are arranged in alphabetical order. First, we need to write consonant into alphabetical order, and then all vowels are arranged in alphabetical order. Then we need to write all the vowels into alphabetical order from left to right. Then each letter is changed to the next letter. Each letter means whether it is a vowel letter or consonant letter, we need to change it as its next letter. Every letter has to be changed as next letter as per the English alphabetical order. Which of the following will be fifth letter from right end? Fifth from right end would be needed here. Now try to understand me here. Fifth from right. From right end we get vowels at first. From right end first we get vowels. How many vowels are there here? 1, 2, 3. But I need to get fifth element. So my answer will not be related to vowel. So I need to come with consonants. After completion of vowels, 4, 5 nothing but it will be considered from consonants. Consonants ila vellali ante consonants అనేవి ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్లో రాయాలి కాబట్టి హైయెస్ట్ కాన్సోనెంట్స్ కదా మనకి టచ్ అయ్యేది ఫస్ట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ కాన్సోనెంట్? టీ. ఆ టీ అనేది ఫోర్త్ లెటర్ అవ్వబోతుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ 3 వోవెల్స్ ఫోర్త్ లెటర్ విల్ బి టీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ లెటర్ కావాలి కాబట్టి ఆర్, బట్ వీ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ into next letter. R next letter is yes, option number 1. Next 76. అర్థమైందా? 75 మళ్ళీ చెప్పాలా? ఒకవేళ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్ అగైన్, డెఫినెట్లీ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ అనేవి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మొత్తం ఎలిమెంట్స్? మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి ఇవి? 8 ఎలిమెంట్స్. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ నుంచి 5th ఎలిమెంట్ అంటే లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ నుంచి 3rd ఎలిమెంటా 4th ఎలిమెంటా? 1 2 3 4 5. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ నుంచి 5th ఎలిమెంట్ అంటే లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ నుంచి ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి 4th ఎలిమెంట్. 4th ఎలిమెంట్ కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ మనల్ని రాయమన్నది కాన్సోనెంట్స్ కదా. కాన్సోనెంట్స్ అంటే ఎన్ని కాన్సోనెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో చూసుకోవాలి. 1 2 3 4 5 కాన్సోనెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మనకు కావాల్సింది 4th లెటర్ కదా. ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్లో రాసి 5th లెటర్ అయి ఉన్నట్లయితే 5th హైయెస్ట్ లెటర్ అంటే హైయెస్ట్ కాన్సోనెంట్ మన ఆన్సర్. కానీ 4th లెటర్ కాబట్టి సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ కాన్సోనెంట్ ఈజ్ నీడెడ్. ఫస్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ కాన్సోనెంట్ ఈజ్ టీ, సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ కాన్సోనెంట్ ఈజ్ ఆర్. కానీ నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్గా మార్చాలి. ఆర్ నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్ ఎస్. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ WXYZ before W the next previous letter should be V. Answer must be starting with V. Next C, D gap E, F gap G, H gap I, J gap K. So VK means we have 2 options. Next VWXY. V before we need to have U, option 3. Next inequalities. Alphabet letters are same, so answer may be either or. Let's confirm. Relation between U and Z is required. As F equal to Z here, I can replace it with Z, so that will be U greater than or equal to Z. U greater than or equal to Z means either U greater than Z or U equal to Z. Either greater than Z. Yes, U greater than Z, U equal to Z, either or, option 4. 78. K greater than W is required, but between K and W we have opposite symbols. When these are opposite symbols, conclusion is wrong. Next, S less than or equal to P, which means P greater than or equal to S. From P to S also we have only greater than or equal symbols, so that will become P greater than or equal to S. So conclusion will be true. Next, L greater than or equal to T. Common letter is F here. Now try to understand from T to F, that will be T less than or equal to F. From F to L also F less than or equal to L. Then relation between T and L will be T less than or equal to L. In conclusion also they have given you T less than or equal to L. It is true. Next, Z greater than or equal to Z. As it is F equal to Z, we can make Z here. So from G it is G greater than or equal to Z. G nunchi chodali greater than or equal to Z. It is also Z greater than or equal to Z. It is also true. Next, Y less than or equal to E, but in between Y and E we have opposite symbols, so it will be wrong. Next, R less than P, which means P greater than R. From P to R, at one place we have greater than symbol, so that it will be P greater than R. Conclusion true. Next, Asif visited 7 different historical places. Historical places, maybe they are new names, but try to look at the starting letters. They are enough. T, Q, R, C, H and I and then V. Total we have 7 names. That's enough. In 7 different months, here months are right from January. After January, February. Next April, June. Next August, September and November. Next, let us consider number of days in every month. January gets 31 days, February either 28 or 29, April 30, June 30, August 31, November 31. 30. Next, A visited Q in a month having 31 days. 31 days means we have two chances, right? Maybe in the month of January or in the month of August also. Next, Asif visited only two places between Q and R. Only two places between Q and R. 1, 2, it is the place of R. 1, 2, no place for R. 1, 2, it is the place of R. 2 between Q and R. Next, more than 3 places were visited between C and H. More than 3 places means minimum 4 places between C and H is required. Maybe interchange there. Next one, H was visited in one of the months after C. One of the months after C. When H is one of the month after C, interchange is not required. Let us try to arrange this one, but try to understand. Minimum 4 are required. 4 plus these two, 6. We need to cover at least 6 places, but we have total 7 places. Already Q is confirmed here. Then in order to fix C and H, if C is here 1, 2, 3, but more than 3 means extra 1 place, and then it is the place of H. If C is here 1, 2, 3, 4, but more than 4 are sorry, and then we need to place H, but there is no such place for H. So C is here 1, 2, 3, 4, minimum 4 are required, and then H may be here, or you may place H here also. Minimum 4. The next condition here, A visited Victoria Palace, that is V, in a month having 31 days. A visited V in the month having 31 days. 31 days means, already look at left side possibility. In January C is completed, in August Q is completed. Other than January and August, we don't have any month which has 31 days. So eliminated. On right side possibility, August. Yes, V in a month having 31 days immediately before I. V is immediately before I. Remaining one will be confirmed. Next, 86, coding and decoding. How may system information extracted be coded as in the given code language? Let us find out decoding of all these words one by one. System is presented in first line. System is not presented in second line. It is not available in third line. It is not available in fourth line also. Yes, system is available in only first line. On right hand side we have 4 elements. Out of these 4 elements, we need to find out the element which is available in only first line. So if I look at BW is already there in some other line. Next, UD is not presented in any one of the remaining lines. Next, TP is presented in some way. Next, HC is also available. So system will be coded as UD. Next, then after information is not there in first line, second line, but it is presented in third and fourth lines. On right hand side we need to identify common term between third and fourth. QN is not common, but FY is common. BW, MO are not common. So information will be coded as FY. So now UDFY are required. UDFY, maybe UDFY, maybe third option eliminated, Fy is not presented, Ud is not presented. So answer will be in between 1 and 2. Other than Ud, we have UDFY, we have Qn, which means they are trying to allot Qn for this word in first option, next NP in second option. Now extracted is available in none of the given statements. As the word is not available, ఇక నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది డేటాలో ఉండకూడదు. ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ క్యూఎన్ అనేది డేటాలో ఉంది, బట్ వర్డ్ అనేది డేటాలో లేదు. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఎలిమినేటెడ్, సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. వాట్ డస్ ద కోడ్ MO స్టాండ్ ఫర్ ది గివెన్ కోడ్ లాంగ్వేజ్? MO ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్ ఇన్ ది ఫస్ట్ లైన్, it is there in second line, third line, not there in fourth line. So we need to identify common term between second and third statements. Raw is not common, data is not common, from is not common, client option 1. 88. In the given code language, if processed files is coded as RHZ, then how will files into be coded as in the given code language? Files into, right? So processed files, if you observe the word processed is available here. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? ప్రాసెస్డ్ ఫైల్స్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఈ ప్రాసెస్డ్ ఫైల్స్ని లాస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ప్రాసెస్డ్ ఈజ్ కామన్. నెక్స్ట్ RHZలో ZZ అనేది కామన్, విచ్ మీన్స్ ప్రాసెస్డ్ విల్ బి అలాటెడ్ యాజ్ GZ, దెన్ రిమైనింగ్ ఫైల్స్ విల్ బి అలాటెడ్ ఫర్ RH. ఫైల్స్ అనేది RH అవ్వాలి. ఆప్షన్ 1 ఎలిమినేటెడ్, మేబీ ఆప్షన్ 2, 3 ఎలిమినేటెడ్, మేబీ 4 or 5. నెక్స్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డీకోడ్ ఇంటూ. ఇంటూ ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ లైన్, second line, third line, it is there in only fourth line. Already we have decoded GZ for processed. Next remaining XL అనేది మనం చూసినట్లయితే వేరే ఎలిమెంట్స్లో ఉందా? లేదు. కానీ FI అనేది వేరే దగ్గర ఉంది, at the same time HS. So obviously XL. RH XL means option number 2. What is the code for data in the given code language? We need to decode data. It is there in first line, second line, not there in third and fourth lines. Fourth line lo kuda unda, sorry, first third it is also there in fourth line. Now we need to identify common term in 1 2 and 4. BW is not common, UD is not common, TP is common, but it is not there in fourth line. So HC option number 1. 90. QNTP is required. QNTP. TP is available here. TP is available in second line. Next TP is not there in third and fourth lines. Left side common term is copy is not common. Next data is common, but it is there in third statement, hence but TP అనేది fourth statement లో లేదు. Next remaining one is from, so obviously TP will be coded as from, which means that maybe first option, second option not possible, third option not possible, fourth option not possible, fifth option maybe. ఫిఫ్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఉందండో, ఫ్రమ్ అనేది చూడాలి, రైట్? సో మేబీ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఫిఫ్త్ ఆప్షన్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డీకోడ్ QN ఈజ్ నాట్ దెర్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ దెర్ ఇన్ థర్డ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఓన్లీ. ఇన్ థర్డ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ద ఓన్లీ వర్డ్ ఈజ్ కాపీ ఈజ్ దేర్ ఇన్ అబౌవ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, క్లయింట్ ఈజ్ available already here. Next right, wait here, QN is available in only third statement. Already we have decided that answer will be in between 1 and 5. Already మనం కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసిన వర్డ్ అనేది ఫ్రమ్, రిమైనింగ్ అనేది నౌ, రా. నౌ కానీ రా కానీ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఏది ఉందండి ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్లో? నౌ కాబట్టి ఫిఫ్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఎలిమినేటెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ 91. Eight people attended the sports meet on either 6th or 7th of a month, like months are like March, May, September and November. So March, after March, May, next September and then November. Dates are 6th and 17th. March 6th, March 17th, May 6th, May 17th, September 6th, 17th, November 6th and November 17th. Number of days, March and May gets 31 days each, September 30 days and then November also has 30 days. Right, now here C attended the sports meet on 17th of a month having 31 days. C 31 days. 31 days means we have 2 months, but 17th means maybe March 17th or May 17th also possible. Next one, only 3 people attended the sports meet between C and F. Only 3 between C and F. First possibility 1, 2, 3 and then it is the place of F. Second possibility 1, 2, 3, it is the place of F. By chance F is not possible, about to C. Next, G attended the sport meet on even number date. Wait, even number date nothing but 6th only. Even number date in month having only 30 days. That month should have 30 days immediately before A. So G should be on 6th of the month having 30 days and G should be immediately before A. Now look at the case here. In first possibility, can I fix G here? No, immediately after G we need to have A. G అనే దానికి 6th మాత్రమే చెక్ చేయాలి. G may be on May 6th. Right, so 30 days kabatti definitely if G is here, A is not possible. Hence G, next A. In this possibility, if G is here, A is not possible, but 30 days unna month avali kabatti G and then it is the place of A. Next, only 3 people attended the sports meet between G and E. Only 3 between G and E. 1, 2, 3. Next, E is required. So E is on May 6th. Next, 1, 2, 3, E is not possible. 1, 2, 3, E is on May 6th. Next one, B attended the sports meet on odd number date. B is an odd number date, nothing but 17th, immediately before H. B is immediately before H. B should be on odd number date only, but immediately before H. Here B is not possible, 17th. It is not possible, so B, after that we need to place H. Next, B is not possible, so it is the place of B and then we need to place H. Next, D attended the sports meet on one of the dates after H. After H we don't have any vacant place in order to place D, so this is eliminated, hence it is the place of D. Next, 96. 8 boxes are stacked one above the other. More than 5 boxes are below to box B. Below to box B we need to have more than 5. For example, B is here. Below B, first let me take 5 boxes and then we'll convert 5 into more than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I need to have more than 5. That means at least one extra place is required. So now I have taken total 7 boxes, but as per the question we have 8 boxes. That means we need to take one more place. That one more place may be about to be, or it could be at this place also, right? So we have 2 chances for that place. ఆ ప్లేస్ అనేది అవసరం అయినప్పుడు మనం తీసుకుందాం. లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద కండిషన్. బట్ యూ నీడ్ టు రిమెంబర్ దట్ we need to take one more place. Only 2 boxes are kept between B and F. If B is here, can you place F as above to B? No. Then 1, 2, it is the place of F. Next, more than 2 boxes between F and G. If F is here, more than 2 boxes are required. 1, 2, more than 2 nothing but third place, and then maybe G is here as 8th place, or 1, 2, more than 2, G may be here. Valid or not valid? Valid. So we have very clarity that these 7 places are required, and then 8th place may be above to B, or else 8th place may be at G's place, that G may be either at top or bottom, right? The next condition here, only 3 boxes are kept between A and C. A is kept at one of the positions below G. A is below G. If I place G here, that will be 8th place. Below G we don't have any places, so by that reason G has to be eliminated from that. So G will be here. When G is fixed here, this is only 8th box. Ade kada 8th box. After placing G, the given condition, A is kept at one of the positions below G. Obviously A will be below to G and above C. A is above C, and there is a condition that only 3 boxes between A and C. 1, 2, 3. We need to place 3 boxes between A and C. In order to place A and C, look at the diagram. If A is here, for example, 1, 2, 3, then it will be the place of C. Or if A is here, 1, 2, 3, then it is the place of C. Maybe AC are like this, or you may place AC in this way also, right? The next condition here, H kept immediately above E. Wherever E is there, E is immediately above, H is required. Now look at the diagram carefully. If A and C are here, then remaining vacant places are 1, 2, 3. These 3 are the these 3 are alternative places, but we need to have immediate places, which is not possible here. By that reason A cannot be placed here. ఎప్పుడైతే A ఇక్కడ రాదో C కూడా ఇక్కడ రాదు. Obviously these are the possible places for A and C. Right, so here it is A and then it is C. After that H and E. H is here, E is here. D is kept at one of the positions above H. One of the positions above H, it is only the place of D. That's it. Thank you.